Hold on to your VR headsets, folks, because the future just got a whole lot more thrilling. Roblox is joining the Meta Quest, and I can barely contain my excitement. Can you imagine a world where gaming and reality collide, and you're right in the thick of it all? Roblox is going to blow your mind with its VR capabilities, transporting you to a whole new world of gaming and social interaction. No more staring at a screen. Now you can fully immerse yourself in a never-ending array of games and adventures crafted by players and developers from all over the world. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Who isn't familiar with Roblox? The amazing online gaming universe where players can let their imagination run wild and build their very own virtual worlds. It's taken the gaming world by storm, attracting over 100 million active players every month. At its heart, Roblox is all about creativity and exploration. It's a sandbox game that gives players all the tools and materials they need to build their dream world. Whether it's a cozy little home, a sprawling city, or even a theme park. And the fun doesn't stop there. You can also personalize your avatar and connect with other players from all over the world. What makes Roblox stand out from other gaming platforms is its emphasis on community and collaboration. Players have the opportunity to join groups, chat with others, and work together on projects in the forums. They can also showcase their own worlds and creations, making it a lively and diverse community. Another defining aspect of Roblox is its user-generated content feature. Unlike many other games, Roblox empowers its players to create their own unique games and experiences, which they can then share with the community. This has sparked the creativity of developers and makers alike, constantly pushing the limits of what's possible within the game. Roblox offers a thriving economy, where players can accumulate virtual currency and splurge it on virtual items and enhancements for their avatars and game worlds. This contributes to an enhanced layer of excitement and engagement within the game, as players strive to amass virtual riches and invest in new items and adventures. Apart from the core building and exploration aspect, Roblox features an array of games and experiences. It boasts a diverse selection, from easygoing platformers and racing games to more intricate role-playing games and simulations. There's truly something for everyone on Roblox, whether you prefer a laid-back game or an immersive experience. But you see, the thing is, there's always a dark side to everything, right? And this platform is no exception. Despite all the fancy safety features that got in place, some players just can't seem to resist creating and spreading inappropriate content. And that's a real worry for parents, you know? They just want to keep their kids safe while they're having fun playing the game. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. This game has got a lot going on. One of the coolest things about Roblox is the continuous updates and new features they keep adding to the platform. Just recently, they introduced the Roblox Studio, a feature that lets players create their own games with just a few clicks and drag-and-drop actions. This new addition has taken the creative abilities of players to a whole new level and sparked a surge of innovation on the platform. Another exciting aspect of Roblox is the ability to play games on various devices such as Xbox One, PC, and mobile devices. This allows for a seamless gaming experience and the opportunity to play with friends, no matter where they are. Not to mention, Roblox has a wide variety of virtual items and accessories to choose from to make your virtual world truly unique. From stylish clothing and hair to adorable pets and vehicles, there's something for everyone on Roblox. Players can earn virtual currency by playing the game or simply purchase it with real money to buy these items. And the list of games on Roblox just goes on and on. They have a massive collection of games, covering a wide range of genres, from thrilling action and adventures to fast-paced racing and sports games. With popular titles like Adopt Me, Welcome to Bloxburg, Jailbreak, Meep City, and many more, there's something for everyone on Roblox. There's so much to love about Roblox. It's all about community. There's this huge group of players and developers that just bounce ideas off each other and help each other out. It's really something special. And the forums? Forget about it. That's where all the players get together to talk about the game, show off their creations, and lend a hand to their fellow players. But here's the thing, Roblox isn't just fun and games. It's got this amazing potential for education too. I mean, you can teach kids how to code and create games and stuff. And it gives kids the chance to let their creativity run wild, work together with others, and solve problems. It's basically like a big sandbox for learning. And there's always something happening on Roblox too. They've got all these events and contests where you can win prizes and show off your skills. I mean, it's a great way for players to show their creativity and skills to a wider audience. And get this, some players are even making money from their creations on the platform. Yeah, you can sell virtual items and game passes, which give players access to special features and content. It's led to this thriving community of creators who are making a successful career out of their passions for building and game development. How cool is that? Roblox also offers a variety of social features that allow players to connect with others and build relationships within the community. Players can add friends, join groups, and even attend virtual parties and events. This fosters a sense of community and belonging among players and encourages them to stay engaged with the platform. One of the most exciting things about Roblox is the potential for cross-platform play. With the introduction of Roblox on Xbox One, players can now play with their friends on different devices, whether they're on a PC or a mobile device. This opens up new possibilities for players to connect and play with others, regardless of the device they're using. You know what would make Meta Quest even better? If they bring in Roblox. Can you imagine how much more immersive and exciting the game would become? Players would be able to dive into virtual worlds and truly interact with their surroundings in a realistic and seamless way. And you know what's even better? It'll attract a wider range of players. With Roblox's user-generated content and variety of games, the possibilities for VR gaming will be endless. I mean, think about it. With VR technology, you'll be able to fully immerse yourself in the virtual worlds created by the community, walking around a virtual city, exploring a castle, or even flying through space. It'll feel like you're really there. The ability to interact with your surroundings in a more realistic and intuitive way will make the gaming experience even more engaging and exciting. It's like a dream come true for VR gamers. With VR technology, players can connect and play with others in a way that feels more like real life. And this leads to the possibility of building stronger relationships and communities within the game. It's like when you play with others in a more immersive environment, you feel like you're part of something special, and that can keep you coming back. And the user-generated content on Roblox is going to get an even bigger boost with VR. Can you imagine being fully immersed in the virtual worlds created by other players? It's going to be a whole new level of exploration. And for creators, it opens up endless possibilities for making their worlds even more detailed and realistic. Not only that, but the integration with Meta Quest is making VR gaming more accessible to everyone. Roblox is already a popular platform, and adding VR to the mix is going to make it even easier for players of all ages and skill levels to get into it. And that's a big deal because it can help to make VR gaming more mainstream. But that's not all. Roblox in VR also has a ton of potential for education and training. Being fully immersed in a virtual environment makes learning and training feel more real and engaging. For example, you can learn about architecture, urban planning, and construction in virtual cities. And in fields like medicine, emergency services, and space exploration, you can use the VR platform to simulate and practice. It's like the possibilities are endless.